good morning, Uncle Kevin. How are you today?
I'll tell you in a few minutes.
Stressed? Are we stressed? We put a monoblock on here, and now we're making a gas line. Is this the act of a desperate person? Uh-huh. We are grasping at
You got it.
straws today. So
Big time.
big time. So we're going to grasp for a little while, and we'll show you what happens in a few minuets when we get some gas flowing and do some kick 'em. All right, it's going on 1:30. We're still at Big K's, Kevin's place, working on this little T20. We started at about 10 o'clock, yeah, and we have been putting a monoblock carburetor on this bike ever since. We have a monoblock. It took let's just say we're finally ready to actually start stroking on the bike because, just because.
Yeah.
We're not going to go into details.
Yeah. Too many details.
So he's going to give her a few kicks. We really think maybe 30% chance that this is going to make a difference. But we're going to give it a try. It's got a good tickle, got good gas flow. We know we got good spark.
Oh yeah! Oh yeah! Oh yeah!
Check the oil flow. Check the oil flow.
I'm gonna try something. The gas cap was loose.
Didn't make a difference. I'm going to do a little adjusting on the pilot jet. Now, we'll be back in a while. All right, so what we did is we actually took several different monoblocks and used enough parts out of them to put together a good solid running monoblock carburetor. It took a lot of time. We laugh because this is the kind of stuff that we do that we don't get paid for. I mean, seriously, the hours that we put into just putting a carburetor on a 2-bolt carburetor onto a bike work out to be about 4 hours. And we do it because it's fun. And we do things that, I mean, if there were a dealership, they wouldn't do this. I mean, they'd put on...
Mad.
Yeah.
You're wasting time.
Yeah, they don't have the time to do this.
No.
They have a manager standing behind them.
You got it.
Okay, so we can sit here and play with this thing for 4 hours. And quite frankly, we went through 2 concentrics, never got it to really run. Put this monoblock on it, and you saw it fired up. And we're going to do another start up here, just for proof of concept. And then we still have to get the lights and stuff like that working. But a lot of progress is made today, and I would say that it was done in spite of the system, and not because of it. You know, we circumvented a lot of golden rules, and we have the bike running. So Kevin's going to come in here and stroke on it. We'll see how long it takes him to start it.
Little throttle.
All right, now let me turn that pilot jet in a little bit and see what happens. We're under time constraints right now. We may not get this done. Try that, and then we'll call it good. Miserable little. I can live with that.
Yeah, yeah.
All right.
There's
So-
more fine tuning to do, but we'll get
yeah,
there.
we have more things to do, but basically we have a runner.
Yep.
Okay, I'm going to go post this thing.
Cool.
And that's the way it is.
Yeah, that's right. Happy Thanksgiving.